on the stupid bird review, I'm going to be reviewing this guy. The Guinean cock of the rock. This is the Guinean cock of the rock. He's orange, as you can tell. It's orange. It's light orange above. Above is a neon orange. And then it's a more duller orange right here. It's more duller orange right here. And it has red eyes. And a leather beak. And a little crest here. A very soft crest. It's more circular on the real bird. But it also has Velcro. So you can change its box. Yeah. It has a banded tail with orange underneath. It has little strings, which the real bird has. Striped wings. Brown under, or orange, sorry, orange underneath. Orange feet and orange under the tail. It is from Tropical Bird series. Here's the tag. Guinean cock of the rock. Tropical birds. And its release date is here. July. It was released on July 27th, 2003. Nice. So anyways, Spangle's here. Hey, Rooster. Sun's coming out, so now I can see him better. Oh, wow. He's even brighter than I remembered. Oh, man, I love this one. Back to the tag stuff. See, here's the description of the bird. Here is all of the tropical birds. I have all of these. I have the Amazon, the blue-fronted Amazon, the Imperial Amazon, the St. Vincent Amazon, and that's the guy you're seeing right now. I have the keelbill toucan, 3 of them, scarlet macaw, and blue and yellow macaw. And then it says when it was recorded. August, is that August? Yeah. August 16th, 1979. Cornell of Ornithology. Here it says 2007 right here for some reason. It was released in 2003, but I have no idea why it says 2007 here. It beats me. Oh, here's its bottom tag.